channel. It is Taronda Yvonne here for another video, and this is just going to be a random video because as you all know, we're all stuck in the house right now. It is crazy time right now, but I am trying to stay positive, and I just wanted to brighten up your timeline, forget about the news right now, and just put up a video of me just getting ready to, of course, go nowhere, but I just wanted to get ready. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I pray that you all are safe, that you're healthy, and that you are following the government's guidelines as far as staying home, because it is critical right now. If we want to see any bit of this summer, please stay at home. So I just did this makeup look really quick. If you guys want to see how I did this, what products I used, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get into the video, just please make sure you do subscribe, and if you thought this was helpful, if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and comment down below what you're doing right now, what you've been doing, what you're doing today. So yeah, keep watching. All right, so I filled in my eyebrows. I'm not done with them. I just need to clean them up. So the palettes that I am going to be using today is going to be the Jackie Aina from Anastasia Beverly Hills and the new Bretman Rock Wet n Wild. So I'm going to be digging in both of these. So let me clean up my eyebrows. How are you guys doing? I know some of us are struggling right now, but I just wanted to come on here and give y'all some motivation. So this video, I'm clearly not a makeup artist, a professional, okay? But, you know, I know how to do my makeup. I know what works best for me. So you can get some takeaways from this video. You can practice while we're all stuck in the house right now. You can find this video helpful to help you to do your own makeup and whatever. So, and just something to watch. So yeah, let me clean up my eyebrows. So I just cleaned my eyebrows up with this LA Pro Concealer. I've been using this for forever, and I'm gonna just clean them up. So I'm just going to use this. This works just fine. Just put a little concealer on your eyelids if you don't have any actual eyeshadow primer. Works good. Just prepping the surface. Lunchtime, so I made them lunch. It's noon, well, it's almost 12:30, but I made them lunch, and I came to do my makeup while they was eating lunch, and they're probably off playing, so I'll give them an hour and then we'll do something else. You're gonna hear them. Let me see, I don't know which one I'm gonna start with. I'll probably start with, I will probably do, these are the two palettes here. Got that one. So coconut. So I think I'm gonna do the coconut at the top. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna put this all over my lid, and then I'm gonna go in with the ginger. Ape shit out of Bretman Rock. University of Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna put on credit, which is this brown one right here. Okay, so like that. And then I just got this on, so maybe I'll do like orangish type of deal going on. I could do, what is this? Pounce on them. This right here. So I'm gonna put this like up here, a different brush. Here. That's right above the crease. Bremen Rock palette is really nice. It has a really good color payoff. You get some nice size eyeshadows, and you can get it at any drugstore. Like, it's not expensive. It was only like $14, and you get 16 eyeshadows, y'all. So we're just gonna blend that in like that. I don't even know what that say. I think it say Wigglies. This one right here. I'm gonna put that on my lid. I think I'm going to, no I'm not. So I'm gonna put that on my lid, and I'm gonna wet my brush too. Let me just put that one there. And then I'm gonna take this Mario Badescu facial spray, and then I'm gonna just spray my brush with it. My brow bone, I'm going to use Don't Be Lying right here. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes, but right now I'm gonna do my face. Do that real quick, and I'm not putting on foundation. I'm using concealer. So let me just wipe away. Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and this is in the shade 390. I'm going to put that all over my face. Okay. And then I'm going to take my LA Girl concealer, because this one is lighter than this one, and I'm just going to focus it just on the inner corner, because that is where my eyes are the darkest, under there. I'm just gonna put that there, put it down. Then I'm going to take my sponge, spray it. I'm gonna do my eyes first. Pro foundation brush, and then I'm just gonna blend everything else in. Okay, so I'm gonna wet it up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and that is in honey. And I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna set my under eyes with that. Then I'm gonna take the Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in Caramel Cutie. Blush highlighter duo, and this is in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. I'll put it on my cheeks. I'm gonna take Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. I'm going to mix the two together and put it on. So now I'm gonna go back to my eyes. So I'm gonna go back to my eyes, and I am just going to take, I'm gonna take Credit and Edges, and I'm going to smudge that under my lash line. From the Bretman, this one right here, this one. Okay, wait a minute, we almost finished. We gotta do the lashes. We have to do the lashes, okay? Yes. So these are the lashes that I'm going to be using. I envy Remy 3D lashes. I get them from my local beauty supply store. As y'all can see, they $3.99, and this is in the style 1. So yeah, let me put these on, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I have my lashes on. Now I am going to just spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray. And for my lips, I am going to keep it simple because, again, I'm in the house and that was Alyssa. She was just having an outburst, and I'm just gonna put on some clear lip gloss. Keep it simple. This is the So Juicy lip gloss in Princess Cut by ColourPop. And there you have it. That is the final look of my quarantine and chill